Ito yung submarine, guys. Punta na kami sa ilalim. We're going underwater.
Handles up there, baby. Grab the
Huh?
handles, let you know.
Huh?
To grab the handles, so don't pinch your fingers on that sucker. That's a heavy door.
Okay. So if you stay here, so these are the bed.
Simple. That's where the cruise was there.
Black line. So mga torpedoes to, guys. Yan. Mga torpedoes. Tas yun yung mga beds ng mga mga cruise na sumakay dito noon nung World War II. Yan. Laki ng torpedoes. Mga torpedoes, ano? Yan, oh. Yan. What's in there?
Toilet.
Toilet? Oh, that's their toilet. That's the toilet, huh? Okay. So, what's in there?
This is just controls. Looks like generator. Different air supplies, different parts of the ship.
Okay.
Vents.
Punta na kami dyan sa maliit na na door.
Fuel oil.
Door ba to?
Controls.
Lagusan. Lagusan to, lagusan. Aray. Uy, meron pagkain dyan, oh. Uy, kitchen nila. Yan ang kitchen nila, guys. May mga plato pa sila. Yan ang kitchen nila.
Shower.
Shower. Oh yeah, shower pala yan. Ayun, oh. Shower nila yan. Ito yung dining room nila, oh. Ayun, oh.
Officer's mess.
Franklin Roosevelt. I heard his name.
Oh, he was a president.
He was room ng mga cruise. Oh. Yan, mga room nila. Room nila. May mga damit pa sila dyan. Oh.
This is the officers' control quarters right here.
Ah.
This is officers. This is the
Officers.
officers' mess.
Oh yeah?
Officer shower.
Oh, okay. So, wow.
captain's quarters.
Mm-hmm. Do you think those are his personal belongings?
I don't know, maybe. Not probably just standard Becker.
Oh, mayroon pang mga ano dyan, oh. Ito, iba na naman. Yan. Ano to? Mayroong typewriter dyan. Dito nagta-type yung ano, mga officer yata. May mga ano dyan, oh. Tapos ito yung lagusan. Ito yung parang door, oh. Lagusan papunta doon. There's somebody there. Somebody's there. Lagusan. So, lagusan na naman to, high voltage. Wala.
The control room.
Oh, yeah. Do not climb. Ganito talaga pala ang itsura ng ano, guys. Oh. Oh. Nakapunta na ako dito last time, eh. Ayan, oh. Ganyan pala ang mga ano, ang daming mga ano dito, oh. Ano kaya mga ano, yung mga function yan? Ano kaya mga function ng ano na yan?
This is where they steer the boat.
They steer the boat.
This is where they did fire before. Where the captain and Tommy were.
Ano kaya mga ano dyan? Ano kaya ang mga function yan?
This one was a rear plane, that one's forward plane. Too bad you can't go.
Pwede umakyat doon. Yung communication room. Kami sa isang lagusan. Uy, kitchen nila. Ito yung kitchen nila, guys. Ang ano nila, oh. Lababo. Yan. Room nila. Dining room nila. So, ito yung mga crew. I think, yan sila. Yung sumakay nitong submarine na to. This sub came back from the war, so all the crews were alive. Kasi nakabalik sila, eh. 180 pala sila, guys. Ka-cruise. Yan. There were 180 crews.
No, that's just a number.
180?
Share their bunk.
Lah.
Shower.
Ito yung cruise bathroom and shower. Ito yung CR nila. Tapos pupunta naman kami sa isang lagusan. Engine room.
Big diesel engines.
Oh yeah. Tapos next na lagusan ay nandoon. Mahaba kasi ito guys. Aray. Next na lagusan ay